Hello everyone and welcome to GeoGyan India. Today we are going to see what is Geographic Information Systems, that is GIS. First of all, meet the father of GIS, that is Roger Tammelson. His famous quest, Impossible to Map the World, we select and make graphics so that we can understand it. So the list of topics which we are going to cover are: what is GIS? What are the applications of GIS, the components of GIS, GIS uses and GIS careers. So what is GIS? GIS is a geographic information systems that stores, analyze and visualize data for geographic positions on the Earth's surface. Now what are the applications of GIS? So GIS application is for pinpointing new store locations, analyzing the crime patterns by making maps, routing in car navigations, forecasting and predicting the weather. Now what are the components of geographic information systems? Now there are 5 components of GIS, that is hardware, software, data, methods and people. First of all, we will see what is hardware. The hardware is a computer and peripherals on which the GIS operates. It may be computers, networks and peripheral devices as printers, plotters and digitizers. Now the second component is software. So GIS software provides the functions and tool to users that need to store, analyze and display geographic information system. The key software components are GIS software, database software, OS software and network software. The third component is data. This is one of the important components of GIS. It is absolutely essential that the data should be accurate. There are different types of data, that is vector data, raster data, image data and attribute data. First of all, we will see what is vector data and raster data. So the vector data consists of points, line and polygon, and the raster data consists of pixels. Now this is our topo sheet. If you zoom the topo sheet, you can see there are pixels which is creating an image. This is known as raster data, and here you can see the points, lines and polygon features are called as vector data. Now we will see the fourth component, that is methods. Methods are well designed and planned applications specific for business that rules how technology is applied. This includes the guidelines, specifications and standards and procedures. So the last component is people. GIS component is clearly a limited value without a people to manage the system and to develop plans for applying it. We will need people such as in administrations, managers, GIS technicians, application experts, end users and consumers. Now let's see what is the GIS uses. By far the heaviest users are for the environment. For example, conservation use of GIS for climate change, groundwater studies and impact assessments. Then GIS is used in military and defenses. Military are the heavy users for GIS. They use it for location intelligence, logistic management and spy satellites. Now GIS is also used for agriculture. Farmers use it for precision farming, soil mapping and crop productivity. Now it is used for forestry. Foresters manage the timber, track deforestation and inventory forest stands with GIS. Real estate also use GIS, which include market analysis, home valuation and zoning. So what are the GIS career? First is the cartographers, which create maps. Second is the database managers, which stores and extract information from structured sets into spatial databases. Third is the programmers who write code and automate redundant GIS processor. For example, GIS programming language includes Python, SQL, C++, Visual Basic, and JavaScript. The fourth is the remote sensing specialist, which uses aerial satellite imagery and sensing software. The fifth is spatial analysis, use geoprocessing tools to manipulate, extract, locate, and analyze geographic data. And the last is the land surveyors, which measure the three-dimensional coordinates of the land. Thank you for joining.